Hi, I'm L Moran. I'm from Washington, D.C. I'm a designer and a builder, and today we're going to be working on this garage. The homeowner had some extra subway tiles, so we're going to spruce up this wall and make him the envy of the whole neighborhood. This is really, really easy. It's a piece of cake. Anyone can do it. You start with some mortar, and I like to start with actually a cake server and put it on just like you're icing a cake. You want to get about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then take your notched trowel and put it at an angle and just go along like this. Dun, dun, dun. You cannot use too much mortar if you use the notched trowel. And we're ready to go. So if you can ice a cake, you can do this. Subway tiles, that's what we're using. They're 3 by 6 inches. Just put them up on the wall, push. Use these spacers. Wonderful little spacers. I don't know if you can see these. They look like little X's. Most people think you put them flat. You don't. You put them in this way. See? They go in on the edge. And that gives you your space. Piece of cake. This is so easy, anyone can do it. My grandmother could do this. What we're doing is a running bond. They're staggered, but the pieces are simply running horizontally. You could do all kinds of patterns. You could do a herringbone, you could do basket weave. There's all sorts of things you could do to make it interesting, but a running bond was typical when using this kind of a tile, this subway tile. When we're finished, overnight it'll dry, and then it has to be pretty dry before we can grout. Tomorrow we'll grout, then we'll take the board off. The board is up to keep it level, and then we'll put some beadboard underneath. So let me cut one, because I'm going to have a half piece at the end. Let me cut, get a wet saw. Really, really easy to use. We're only going to cut this in half, 3 inches. Use your goggles, want to be safe. See? Simple. Piece of cake. Cut in half. All right. Don't forget to press really hard when you push your tile on the mortar. And get all the little spacers in there. You can reuse these spacers. They're fabulous. You can use them time and time again. I've had these for years. Every once in a while, just check your lines, because you can get a really fat or skinny looking little spacer. And then we pop in the little one. Keep it dry. Piece of cake. Just like that. Subway tiles. Check back tomorrow and I'll show you how to grout it.